Need to pay an employee outside of your normal schedule for a bonus or correction? If you're worried about messing up your tax filings, you're not alone. Today, we're processing a safe off-cycle payroll in ADP. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. An off-cycle payroll is a special payroll run that happens outside your established schedule. It's for one-time payments like bonuses, final pay, or manual check replacements. Step 1. Locate the off-cycle option. In the Payroll section, look for Off-Cycle Payroll, Supplemental Pay, or Quick Pay. This will start a special payroll run that doesn't interfere with your regular schedule. Step 2. Select Employees and Pay Type. Choose the employees to pay. Then, select the appropriate pay type, bonus, adjustment, replacement check, etc. Enter the amount. ADP will calculate the appropriate taxes, which are often calculated differently for supplemental wages. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: use the bonus pay type for bonuses. When paying a bonus, always use the specific bonus pay type or category. This ensures ADP uses the IRS's flat supplemental tax rate, usually 22% for federal withholding, which is often more accurate than adding it to regular wages. So, just like that, you can handle special payment situations correctly. Using off-cycle payroll properly goes a long way in maintaining clean payroll records. Now I'm curious, what's the most common reason you run an off-cycle payroll? Bonuses or corrections? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.